So tomorrow is gearing up to be a big day for ADA, a big day for crypto. And that's not to say it's a positive day. It could be positive, could be negative, but it's an important day nonetheless. And I think people need to be aware of this. Now, what we're experiencing right now is a little bit of cooling in the market. When you go on as much of a run as we have, you need to have some periods of correction. It's healthy. All right. We can't just continue to run up and to the right forever. That's just not the way it works. People take profits. People prepare for things like what's coming tomorrow. Now, ADA's down about 5% on the day. Solana's down about 5% on the day. XRP actually down 7.3 on the week. Yikes. BTC's down 0.5%. And really what you're seeing is just kind of flat across the market. We're struggling to continue to stretch our legs to the upside. We're struggling to break through this $1.41 trillion global market cap. There, and BTC is just, it's just stuck. We're stuck right now. Okay. We just don't have that same kind of momentum. Now, what's coming tomorrow is the CPI report. It's one of those macro factors that have historically influenced the market, especially during bear market cycles. If you guys look back at how this has influenced the market, there's always been some sort of direction change, up, down, wherever, right? Now, what we are expected to see tomorrow is lowering energy costs. We're expected to see food still remain sticky. We're expected to have a good CPI report for the most part, which is a positive sign for the market. A big thing for the market here is going to be signs of economic recovery. Obviously, we've seen GDP still perform well. We see the jobs report finally begin to cool down. I mean, there's kind of a mixed bag of information. And I think right now the market is just essentially taking that deep breath before we get a confirmation on where we're headed from here. All right. Hopefully that makes sense. Now, if we do get a positive CPI report, I would expect that the market does continue to gain a little head of steam here. Now, how much that goes to is kind of the big question. I'm sure there are plenty of people that have opened up short positions here. If we get BTC liquidating a lot of shorts again, who knows how high we could go, right? This is the high of the bear market cycle. So a lot of unknowns. Now, when it comes to ADA, right now, chart looks a little toppy. Again, corrections need to happen. There is still a lot of strength in this chart. Now, what I will say here is we've struggled with these ranges of resistance, 38 cents, 40 cents, 42 cents. And right now, ADA is struggling with those ranges. Okay. There's, again, bound to be corrections. There's bound to be some consolidation. How long it lasts, again, is kind of the big question. If we get into tomorrow and we take off, well, there you go. Then it's over. We continue to run. But I will say we're above the the 20, the 50, the 100, the 50-day moving averages. We're still on the bullish side of all these indicators. I mean, we're about to cross actually the 200, the 50 days about to cross the 200 day. I mean, there's a lot of good things happening, guys. A lot of positivity. Now, this isn't quite the start of the bull market or anything yet. We got to temper our expectations there. I'm not expecting a run to insane heights quite yet in terms of ADA. We got to be patient for those times to come, but the overall strength in the market is building, especially if we consolidate at these levels. And imagine if we continue to break through and push to the upside from here. So those are the things that I'm watching for. Pay attention to tomorrow's report. 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time is when we're going to get that, and we'll see if it plays an impact into the market. So appreciate you guys as always. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Show your support below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.